Ahí está bien, pa.
Sweet.
Quedando.
Va
That's
quedando.
what's up, Jet Life. We're making it happen right now, you know? Fuck. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back, Jet Life. It's day 2 of the Ford Focus build, and today we're actually gonna head down to the junkyards. But right now we are waiting for my brother Black. Supuestamente me dijo que iba llegando el viejón, pero no ha llegado. Lo estoy esperando, no se apura la... Y para que sepan que sí lo estoy esperando, ahí viene el viejón entrando. Ahí viene llegando, Fugation. What up, compa Black? What up, guys? What up? We are at the junkyard right now. We came and we finally found some Ford Focuses. Thanks, shout out to J&A Auto Parts 2. We did find the Ford Focus, and we did find actually the front, the right color. Actually, it's actually the right color, the same color. But the only thing is that the fenders are messed up on this one. And look at this, just with one hand. This is how easy this is right here. It's just like that. One and two. And we also got the filter from it because we were missing the filter on ours. So we did take off the filter off of this one. So we're all good to go. We are missing the hood latch right here. So we're gonna go look for another Ford Focus. And to be honest, guys, the fenders and the bumper, we're gonna order them online. And those are coming in on Monday. But for now, we'll catch you guys back at home. And we're gonna review all of this stuff that we just got from the junkyard. Catch you guys later. Alright guys, well, the past vlog that we did, the very first vlog, once we got the car, the very first one we posted up, guys, if you guys saw into the end, we kind of got stuck in taking off the reinforcement bar. And just to show you guys some footage of it, because we did record after we were already done taking it off, but we did record that it was already off. So here's a clip of that, guys. De estrella, pa. De estrella.
Yeah,
Do you don't think this is here right here too?
it is here. We're gonna have to move that.
I'm telling you, fool, and this
little
we
bit.
need to take this off too then.
That's what, just take it off, dog.
It's cricket. How it's gonna be cricket?
Alright guys, here it is. Just because we ended off the vlog doesn't mean we stopped working. We took off all of this side fender and we took off the rest of the front bumper. We also bought the reinforcement bar. It's ready to go. Right here is where the air filter goes, right down here. Right in here, and we also got that from the junkyard. We got that from the junkyard. Got this from the junkyard too. And then we got the tire cover for the right side. We still need a left side tire cover. I'm gonna hit up one of my compas. Ojalá y todavía le haga la soldadura el viejón. A ver qué me puede. El compa Washington. A ver si me puede venir a soldar aquí esto. Some weld right there. And I need him to weld this off right here so he could weld back the new one. So hopefully, a ver qué dice mi compa. Pégale un martillazo a la verga. Alright guys, so we're trying to put the frame back straight how it is. By the looks of it, this frame right here, we already got it straight how it's supposed to be. And we're pulling it, we're using the tree, look. Now this one's the one we gotta pull. You see how it's... You see how this one is coming out to this side? We need to come back in so it could be straight just like this one. Alright guys, so now what Black's gonna do, he's gonna do the other side. Hopefully it could be straight. Ooh, check out that butt.
Check out the butt.
Oh hey guys, a fun fact as well. Here, Black, grab the cam. Let me show my trousers, man. Look what happened, guys.
Oh,
God damn it.
Oh.
God damn it.
The extra airflow, man, for the exhaust. No cats. I just.
Suena macizo, suena macizo.
Hammer time. Traigo el marro, güey.
What's up with Thor? Fucking dark ass Thor. Ahí está la ceja con seis. Allá, Black, ¿cómo se mira? La saqué más que verga.
No, porque lo vas a soltar y se va a devolver, güey.
Ah, qué verga. Ahí está bien, pa.
Sweet.
Quedando.
Va
That's
quedando.
what's up, Jet Live. We're making it happen right now. You know? Fuck. Aquí está. Aquí está también, pa. Así quedó, así nomás quedó. Dijo el compa pirata, así nomás quedó. Hell yeah, Jet Live. That's what it's about right there. That's what it's about. We've been struggling, but we're gonna get this built. We're gonna get this built. It's gonna come out nice. Yeah, guys, stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys subscribe. Before we end off, I am gonna tell you guys we are gonna order right now the parts. We're gonna sit down on the computer and we are gonna order the front fender. No, the side fender. What the heck are you talking? What you talking? We're gonna order the side fender and we're gonna order the front bumper as well. That's literally everything else that we're missing, guys. Oh, and nah, I lied. Nah, I lied, guys. We are missing the radiator support, the top radiator support, because it has a bottom one. Stay tuned, guys. On Monday, supposedly those are shipping in. God damn it, Black. I told you we were done. What you doing, man? Va a sopletear a la verga todo esto. Because I guess it has like a bunch of rat poop, look. Like rat poop or bird poop. We don't even know what the heck it is. But yeah, because it has a lot of dust on it. It has a lot of dust on it, guys. But extra clip.